It is February, guys, and it is time to make this month count. Now, guys, I will be giving you the top 10 products that I recommend you guys selling in February. And I want to make this very clear. I waited until February 2nd because I like to compose all of the information of products that have sold throughout the previous month to make sure that we actually get the accurate information. Now, all of the products that I'm going to show you are products that you can actually get. They're not products you have to order online to get from overseas, wait for them to cross customs, and hopefully get them within 4 weeks. All of the products are products that we actually source and have and use and sell. Now, there was a huge snowstorm in Philadelphia, which delayed some of our packaging, but it's amazing how many orders we have compiled in the month of January and also have been able to fulfill. With the help of USPS and UPS, we have been able to sell over 5,000 products, which is a record for our first month sales with our websites. Now, I'm not talking about the wholesale website, but I'm talking about our partners. And if you don't know, the reason I do resell is because it allows me to operate with two type of different customers. I have consumers, which are regular people, but also businesses. Now, products that I'm going to show you guys are not just going to sell with consumers, but also businesses. Now, selling business to business is something I am really trying to ease my way into teaching you guys, but also consumers, you already know, these are products that they grasp onto and easy for you to source. Now, these products are products that you're able to get at wesply.com or any other websites. But if you are interested in wesply.com, create an account today. It's free, but it is my wholesale website where all resellers can actually get products without having to have a business license, EIN, or even a reseller's permit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through some of the products that we are selling in the top 10 that I recommend for starters with resellers or people that are already resellers that are selling in the game on platforms like Amazon, eBay, Mercari, Facebook, OfferUp, Depop, Poshmark, and more. Let's get into the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and of course subscribe, and comment below if you guys had a great January or if you had a slow month. I'm really interested to learn about you guys and what you guys are experiencing in reselling, and I'll hopefully be able to gear some of my videos towards pain points or even questions you guys may have. Okay, so as you guys know, when it comes to products, especially on eBay, Mercari, I love selling products that are low cost, but we can sell it for a medium ticket price, right? And also a bundle. And I think bundling is essential, especially for February. And I'll explain why. So January sales are usually slower, right? People are trying to recoup from their investments from obviously Christmas. And one thing I would recommend is just putting yourself in the position of getting warm. I think a lot of people try to start selling high ticket products in the beginning of the year, trying to just capitalize off of the inventory they may have stocked. But again, you want to make sure you are selling products that your consumers can afford, right? So I'm going to walk you through some products that are literally easy to bundle and products that are actually low costing that you could actually be able to continue to kick off your first quarter with success. Okay, so here are some battery packs. This is a 5,000 mAh battery pack. Now, this is a black one. This one sticks to the bottom of your phone. This is actually going to be $8.50, $9, depending on how many you buy. Packaging is good. We sell this usually for around $12.50 to $17, okay? Now, the price margin does vary based upon your reviews on the store, and I want to make that clear, right? So this, again, really good packaging. If you have a storefront, this will sell well, obviously, because it sticks out and it actually looks luxurious. And you can sell this for $30 at a store, but we're just talking about online. You'll be able to sell this for around $17, even $15, and still be able to make a healthy profit. Now, I know I talk a lot about these MagSafe battery packs, and again, they do still, of course, sell. But one thing I want to talk about, and these are going to be like $9 wholesale, but I want to actually bring you guys down here, right? So look at these, right? I'm sure you've seen this before. What if I told you these have been selling a really good amount on Poshmark, Depop? Like, we've been selling and getting little hits on this. Now, this is 3000 mAh. It comes in gray, blue, red, and we have like this little brown color, gold, but this is only going for around $4. So this is a low ticket product that you could actually be able to benefit from. Then of course, look at the MagSafe wired charger. Okay, this sells good. And again, it has the little green tab, or the green strip, that makes it seem and feel like it's Apple. This again around $7 wholesale. Depending on how many you buy, you can get it even cheaper. And again, sell this for around $14.50, $15. And of course, bundle it. Do a 4-pack, 2-pack, 3-pack, 6-pack, whatever you would like, and it still will sell. Okay, so now let's talk about charging bundles. So this is a bundle itself. I'm sure you've seen this. Now I want to show you a difference, right? Look at the packaging. Packaging is okay, right? But what if we go all the way down to the AAA OEM ones, and you will see with the OEM ones, look at how the packaging is a little bit different. It's more clean cut, straight to the point, minimalistic, and this is the one I would recommend selling. Now, the previous one that I showed you, this is going to be around like $5.50 wholesale. This right here is around $6.50, $7, depending on how many you buy. Now, this is really good packaging. You get the adapter plus the cable. This is a Type-C to Lightning cable. And yes, you can still bundle this, sell it 2-piece bundle, or sell it individually. $10.50. If you're selling it as a bundle, I would recommend $19.50, $17.50. Still a good profit margin. So Type-C headphones, these go really well with the iPhones. Obviously, iPhones, especially the 17 model, people are looking for these wired headphones. We have 2 different types, same exact price, different packaging. So this iPhone 17 packaging right here, right? This is a little bit different, obviously, because if you see, you have a minimalistic one, but it has this type of EP15B, which is basically a model number. I don't like that, right? So I would always go with this, where it has the 17 logo, the AirPods, USB-C. I like this packaging, and again, same price, same exact packaging. Technically, the only difference is the graphic up front, but these are around $6 wholesale, and you could sell these anywhere between $9.50, $12.50, $13.50, depending on what type of shipping you're doing. I would recommend starting out with like $9, man. Just start it out slow. Do it as a bundle if you wish on like platforms like Mercari. But again, this is something people are looking to get for their 17s, and you can never have enough headphones. Another thing is the MacBook charger. Now, I don't really talk about this a lot, but again, this is something where it is an 87-watt power adapter. It's USB-C. And this is very expensive. So we're talking around like $23, $24 wholesale, but you can sell this $35. You can sell this $45. And I know this isn't really low ticket, but this is something that is actually in high demand because people want a real powerful one so they can charge their MacBooks and tablets. If you have a low wattage one, it's not actually going to charge certain devices. So I like this product because it charges my devices, charges it fast, and also is high quality. And of course, look at the packaging. Packaging is pretty good. In the store, it sells well. It also has the UPC on the side, so I love it. I think that, again, this is something that goes under the radar. A lot of people don't even talk about these type of adapters, but these do exist. They do sell, and also they're unique because a lot of people do look for high quality ones and ones that match Apple's packaging and also Apple's quality, and this definitely does the job. And while I'm talking about that, I do want to talk about the cable, right? So this is an 87-watt cable, USB-C, charging cable, 2 meters. Look at the packaging. Packaging is really simple, but again, it pairs really well with this. This is around $5.50, $6 wholesale. So we're talking about maybe $30 acquiring both of these, but again, being able to sell this for a $45, $50 bundle. All right, so it does work out. Now, I've been testing this cable out a lot, and I'll show you guys when I get back home how I use it. But this cable actually does charge really well. I gave it to my children. They're able to charge their tablets, their phones, and also speakers because it has a micro SD, it has a Lightning, and also a Type-C. It also has a Type-C connector, so you can plug this into a MacBook, or you can plug it into a computer with the USB outlet. And again, it comes in different colorways. We usually just sell the blue, black, and the red. This is around $4 wholesale. Sell this for anywhere between, just because it has 3 connectors, like $12, $15. Or you can even start out, since it's a low cost, you can sell it $9.50. But this sells really well on Mercari, Poshmark, and also on eBay. Okay, so we have to talk about the Maxes. Okay, so these obviously sell well. Get these $27 wholesale, wesply.com. Very great packaging. Look at this blue. Look at the product that we actually display. I'm talking packaging. It's very similar to Apple, and that's what I like, right? And it allows you to sell without having to be copywritten, right? So I'll sell these anywhere between $60 to $90. We're not at the 125 mark right now, because again, people are just now recouping their money, getting their tax money. You don't want to hit them upside the head yet, but again, this will sell for around 125 next month, but we're still seeing only around like $85, $90 sometimes, but still a $27 investment. That's a good profit. So let's talk about cases, right? Now, when it comes to a case, and I wanted to make this the last one because I know for a fact that a lot of people are sleeping on these, and you should, because these don't sell really well during the regular times throughout the year. But you got to remember, this is around the time where people are about to get their tax money, which means new phones. So you want to get the 16 Max, 17 Pro Max, the 17 cases. All of these cases will sell in the upcoming months. Now, it's going to slow down around April. So if you're going to get cases, make sure you're getting these cases just to get ahead of the curve when people are getting their new devices, because they got that tax money. You want to be the person that actually is filtering out the people that are buying the cases in the store versus the people that are looking for deals. You want to be the person with the deal. In a simple silicone case like this, and it's a bunch of different colorways, you could actually get these. Cost around $4.50 wholesale, $5 depending on how many you get. Like I tell you guys, it's really important to make sure you're not guessing when it comes to products, or you're not using a third-party site that honestly is paying an influencer to promote, right? Me personally, when I'm building and I'm growing my business, I only buy products that I see are selling, because I don't have time to just stock inventory that isn't actually bringing me anything back. So when you're going and looking and trying to build that store or even that business, make sure that you're buying products that you know for a fact fit with the season. Every product doesn't sell every month. There are certain products that consistently sell. They're like everlasting products that always are evergreen, right? But you also want to make sure that you're fitting with the time of people's pockets, right? So when you're going and you're building and you're watching YouTube videos that talking about drop ship this, drop ship that, the problem with drop shipping is that drop shipping, especially with these third-party sites, is they're literally taking products from resellers and that are just taxing money on top and literally selling to you. They're not really giving you the products that are going to sell in February, March, April, all the way to August, and maybe even December. They're just trying to capitalize on trends just because they think that these products are going to sell. But where's the data? Where is the physical sale? Or where is the Shopify store that gets those sales? Show me the transactions. They can't. And that's why on this channel, I try to do my due diligence to make sure I'm upfront with you guys, show you the physical products, because the physical products really do matter. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to go ahead and finish up here. Then I'm going to head back, edit this video, and put it out for you guys. Make sure you guys are commenting what type of videos you want to see, any questions you have, and I will make sure to answer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.